Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on the topic consonants. Consonant is the part of study of linguistics. In linguistics we study how a language works, how a language operates. So basically there are 5 components in linguistics in any language. They are phonetics, phonology, morphology, syntax and semantics. In phonetics, we study how a human speech is produced, how it is transmitted, and how it is received. So, study of sound of human speech is done in phonetics. So, consonant is the part of study in phonetics. Basically, there are 2 kinds of sounds. They are vowels and consonants. And in English language, there are 20 vowels and 24 consonants. Let us see what is consonant. Consonant is a kind of sound. We know that to produce any kind of sound, we need air. In human speech, we use the air we breathe out. That is, the expiratory lung air is converted into some meaningful sounds just before the air is being released into the atmosphere. So we use the lung air to speak out certain sounds. We see the sounds produced in nearby our surrounding. We know very well that whenever a cork is removed from the bottle cork, there is the pop sound. The air blows out with force, making a certain kind of sound. So some similar phenomena takes place with our speech system. Thus, we see that lung air which is breathed out gets stuck or blocked at certain points for a very small fraction of second, and then it is released. That makes the sound. Such sounds in phonetics are called consonant sounds. The consonant sounds do not escape freely because they are obstructed at some point of certain places for a very small fraction of second. Such sounds are called consonants. Now let us see one example. When we produce the sound t, the tip or the blade of our tongue strikes the alveolum or the teeth ridge of our mouth for a very small fraction of second. Now, as we know that there are 24 consonant sounds, let us see what are their symbols and examples. The first one we have taken is the sound p, as in past. Another sound b, as in boy. Third one t, as in test, taste, tub, etc. D sound as in day. K sound as in kite. G as in go or girl. Another sound is ch, as we say chest or chair. Next sound is j, as in joker, giraffe, etc. F sound, find, etc. V sound as in visit. L sound as in last, life. R sound as in run. Next sound is th, as in thick or thank you. Another sound is the, as in the, thus or this, these, etc. Next sound is s, as in said, said. Next one is z sound, as in zoo, zebra. Next sound is sh, as in shoe, chef, schedule, etc. Another sound similar to sh but little different is j, as in pleasure, measure, etc. Next sound is h, as in heavy, heart, hurt, etc. Next sound is m, as in many, man, make, manufacture. Next to m sound is n sound, as in no, never, not, nut. Next sound is ng sound. This sound generally exists between the other sounds. This sound doesn't start, the word doesn't start with the sound ng. So, ng sound we see the examples as ring, sing, song, long, etc. Second last sound is y, as in yesterday, yes, yep, yak, etc. And the last sound is w, that is wet, what, wall, etc. So these are the 24 sounds in English, 24 consonants in English language. I hope this is clear to everyone as the basic introduction to components. Thanks everyone.